Hey, hey, hey. Listen, y'all don't gotta tell me the music's slapping. I already know. I heard this when I was like, yo, this beat is banging. I was like, I could listen to this in the car. All right. What's up, everybody? Y'all know the simple deal. We're simps here. We know how to do the simple stuff. So let's jump right on into it. If you haven't seen the disclaimer before, there's a reason, because you haven't been paying attention. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Do your own fucking thing. I'm just a dude on the internet documenting what I do. Goodbye, disclaimer. What's good, everybody? Glad to see you. Hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't be a super simp. Haha. So, glad to see everybody. It's awesome that you're here. Thursday, Good Friday tomorrow, Good Friday in an hour. How about that? So, we'll be off of here by the time Good Friday drops, which I think is a good thing because I'm doing sinful stuff up on here with the liquor and gambling, right? So, y'all know the deal. 100% TA, no bullshit, no whining, no crying, no hopium, just data and data and data. And tequila tonight. Everybody on the right, that's the 786 Assassins. All the other people's the 786 Mafia. If you got some questions, ask, man. Don't be shy. Don't be a hoe. Just ask. That's all you got to do. No better way to learn than to ask questions and receive answers. All right, there's a lot of really, really smart people on this chat. Pay attention, okay? We're going to go over a bunch of stuff tonight. It's a new quarter. What does that mean? Well, that means a lot of stuff, and we'll talk about it. Let's see who all is in here real quick. So, Bev, what's up? From Texas. Pops, I see you. Frank, Jeremy, my man. E. Phillips, saw you on the Zoom. What's good? Dayo, I'll get back with you in just a little bit, Dayo. What's up? Hitch, my man. Electric Ken, it's just Ken. What's up, Ken? What's up, RWM, Mr. Pickle? Mullet, what's up, my guy? Papa Nick, Nick knows what's up. Danny Carney, good to see you, my friend. It's only gay if you like it, Nick says. And I got no problem with the gay people. I'm your friend. I'm cool with you. Do what you want to do. Whatever makes you happy. All right. Real quick, let's start with the market cap. Oh, by the way, if you haven't done so yet, if you haven't done so yet, why don't you jump over to the Patreon page? Why would you do that? Well, for $8 a month, you get in on our Telegram. Our Telegram is full of data and data and data and data and data. We also joke a lot. Okay, when we're not charting, we're joking. But I've told you before, most of what we get comes from that chat room. It's not just me; it's everybody. It's all the guys together and the women. Everybody puts it together, puts their minds together, and we pound charts until we find good looking stuff. Okay, so here, this is how you get in the Telegram group. It's not free anymore. It's $8. And with the $8, we do giveaways. So I'm not keeping your money. I don't want your money. I'm doing great on my own, I promise. Don't need anybody's money to do any better. Got my own plans, and I want you to have your own plans too. Go give it a shot. Patreon /Carolina Keith. All right, enough of that bullshit. If I say XRP more than one more time, that was my mulligan. We drink. It's tequila tonight. All right, I'm going to start with the total market cap because we've talked about it a few streams in a row first. And I keep harping on it because I think it's important. The monthly chart shows you we already hit target 1, we already hit target 2, and we're threatening to keep going. You see that the candle is actually on top of the fib now. Made a little wick on the bottom and moved up over the top. Go to the weekly charts, we get another vantage point of it. Move the arrow here. That arrow is null and void now. Same with this red one. You see we're threatening the 1414. I expect a rejection here, okay? I know it's going up right now, but I expect some sort of rejection or a test of 1.83 trillion. At least a test. Okay, I'm saying at least a test. Haven't gotten that yet. The week is fresh. Still got a few days on it. This is a brand new quarter. What does that mean? Well, if we look at a 3-month chart, you'll understand, okay? 3-month chart is one candle every 3 months or every quarter year. As you see, the quarterly has been really, really kind to the total market cap. That's about as parabolic as it can go. this clearly went past 1618. And it looks to me like this could go past 1618. All right, we don't have any proof of that. RSI screaming high, MACD's high. You know, it's a big ask. But again, candle over the 1414. Let's see if it can hold it. All right, you got 3 months to see what happens here. I tell you right now, the last year has been really good for the total market cap. Look at that. Look how much it's grown. Look how much it's grown in a year. Isn't that impressive? I think it's pretty impressive. You know, we talked about how bad the year was. And honestly, I don't think it was as bad as people make it out to be. You see here, we got a beautiful parabolic price action that we had down here, just like it. Same thing. Parabolic moves all the way up, keeps continually breaking all-time high. Testing R1 right now over the 1414. You see what I mean? This pivot's just dropped yesterday. These new pivots just came out. They're pretty much dead in line with the other ones. Are we going to break this, or are we going to fail first and then give it a break? Hard to say, but I tend to automatically assume we're going to get a downward push before we get more up. We get just as much red as we do green. So, hey, expect it. That's what I tell everyone. Another quarter, another dollar, Terry said. You're damn right, bro. Guaranteed to make your money back each month on Telegram chart. That's what Jeremy says. XTC and CRV, I got you, Corey. All facts, no breaks. Let's go. Yeah, EJ said that. 2 fib possible, but not expected, okay? And that's way the hell up here at $6.3 trillion. It's possible, not expected. I do expect $2.8 trillion, though. I think that's fully attainable. SFP about to pop. I got you, bro. We'll look at it. Harvey's always hiding in the bushes, Dustin. He's always hiding in the bushes. Let's see. Audio priming up the TAC new monthly R1. You heard it here first. What Jamie said, not financial advice. All right. So, again, total market cap continues to impress me. I wouldn't be upset if it bounced down a little bit first and then went up. Part of the game. Bitcoin looks like it's going to threaten 60K again. And looks like it's got a good chance of breaking it. It's a little up in the air right now, but I think it's going to happen. 62 is fully possible again, which is where it broke all-time high before. Will it fail? It could. It could. I threw a couple dojis right here and then popped up. I like that. I like to see that. Ethereum. Ethereum continues to perform really well. It's a little bit slower than Bitcoin, but it's not the number one. All right, Bitcoin is still number one. Ethereum has some room to go here if it like. So we'll see. We'll see how much it's got left and how far it can push itself. But again, good stuff here on Ethereum. It's a solidly, I still like 3,200 Ethereum, okay, up here. All right, let's go to some other ones here. Just kind of jump around a bit. Hit that CRV. Sitting right over top of the all-time 50, which is right where the pivot is. It hasn't touched the pivot. I kind of expect it to bounce off this pivot and then move up. Doesn't have to happen that way, but I expect it to. Okay? We'll see what happens. XDC. Someone said XDC. I'm going to talk a little bit about the quarterlies and how they move. Oh, yes. Look at that. That's going to go. Yes, sir. That's going to test the top of 886 right there. It appears it's going to test the top of 886 where the R1 is. It bounce around a bit and then pop up here toward 1272 and 1414. We'll see. I like the way this one looks as well. XTC has a good bit of movement left in. I think it's on Hitbit or Hotbit, whichever one it is. EOS did some really nice moves over the last couple of days. Finally. Gosh, EOS took forever to do anything. But like all coins, though it took a while, it finally did its thing. We've got a little bit of a daily red here right now. It's testing R2. It's okay. Leave it be. It's a long way from the 8 EMA. It's probably going to wait on this 8 EMA before it goes up really far or does anything dramatic. It's also dead smack in the all-time 786. You see that? Not all-time. The June 19 786. So getting rejected off of that right now. It may hold up in this range and kind of and kind of range out a bit. I wouldn't be upset if it did that. I've already made some pretty good money off of that one. Let's see. SFP, yes, so SFP. Yeah, we got a good looking price action here. Bounced right off the pivot, right between the 8 and 20. Wasn't it? Wait a minute zone. Yeah, it's in the wait a minute zone, and the MACD's rolling over. I don't know if this is going to pop or not, but that is an inverse head and shoulders. This also could just be settling out some. This is a tight call on SFP. It's still technically okay, so I wouldn't stay in it until it throws you a sale. Yeah, bit true, and it's on hit bit or hot bit too. Strong, yes sir. I can look at strong. That's a healthy looking chart, my friend. All right, go down here to the Uniswap one. There. We were looking at this earlier. And I got a lot of craziness going on the chart right now, but don't worry about it. I'll erase what doesn't need to be there. All right, so this is the all-time chart. As you see, this pennant broke north, pushed over 618. It's heading toward 165. Will it get to 165? I don't think quite yet. I think there's going to be some pause in here. I think it's going to come back down and hit 97 and bounce off of 97 first. And then maybe we're going to get some more movement up. Is there a possibility of a retrace to get that number like you're saying, Danny? Yeah. But I'm going to be honest with you. I can't guarantee it, man. This thing is a really low cap. It's one of these crazy Uniswap tokens, bro, and these things move fast. So be watching out. That's all I'm saying. Be watching out. Now, you see I had that other fib up there, and there's a reason I had that one up there because it was a tighter time frame on the daily. And it kind of showed you that 1414 lines up with the all-time 786, right around 165. So I expect it to hit either 135 or 153 and range out for a little bit. 165 being the highest short-term range. Rounding in here between 135 and 165 for a bit. Where do I see it going long-term? 2,300? My God, that's insane, isn't it? Well, it's possible. So keep your eyes open. VET. Terry was talking about this one. That's Moonrider. Smart fella. Been around, knows what he's doing. VET made a great move. Look at this. Beautiful slow grind up. When we get these slow grinds, it kind of helps ensure that it stays up. I say that all the time. It stays up. And it's doing fairly well at it right now. It's staying above the 8 and above the 21, which is the green and purple line here. If anybody doesn't know that, this is our #1 price action early entry, early out indicator. You can go all the way down to the 4-hour with this and get pretty good results. Combine this strategy with the Fibonacci retracement strategy and the cloud conversion and baselines, and you get about a 5-to-1 win ratio. And 5-to-1 is pretty damn good to me. So VET, I like VET a lot. It's right up under 1414 at 9 cents. I can still see 17 cents coming. And, from there, we'll see. I don't want to go too far in the future and try to guess. All right. STPT. Let's see. STPT. Ooh, like this chart, Drizzy. Good call, bro. I like this one. It's got legs. Goodness. It's actually a little high for what it's done. Yeah, that's pretty damn high. This is a tough one because it can keep going. It's not a sale, but gosh, this is really, really high. If you were in this, I'd probably have already taken some profits because this is really high. Up to the 2 fib, that's tough. That's tough. May get some sideways action on this one for a bit. Be careful. Rye McDon. Hey, what's up, Rye? Good to have you, bro. Glad I like to see new people. I like to see fresh faces, man. We need more fresh faces. It's important. Glad to have you, bro. Says Dustin. Thanks for the invite. Oh, you the guy Dale was talking about, my boy Dale. Glad to have you, bro. We learn in here. That's what we do. That's the whole reason I started this stream to begin with, was to teach. I wanted people to come in here, ask questions, see what's up, and learn. Do not be bashful. Do not be shy. The only way to learn is to ask questions and get answers, okay? Dustin Deo, 20 bones. Let's go. My fucking Deo is he's a goat, man. Deo is a goat. Drinks for you, Deo. Ryan McDonough is my cousin. He's new to this, and he also might be interested in the Telegram group. Hey, fam, welcome in. Thank you, brother. We'll get that money donated out. Yeah, Ray, right here, I don't have it up, but in the description of the video right here, if you scroll down and hit the little down arrow on the button on the stream here, in the description of the video is the Patreon account. Just click on it, and you can sign up, and we'll get you in the Telegram group if you'd like. Thank you, Mullet. And Mullet says hit like, subscribe, please. I appreciate it, Mullet. You're the man. RSTP? Or is that the one? RSTP is a different one. Okay, Frank. Not there. I got no chart for it, Frank. I don't know, bro. RSTP. Yeah, I got no chart for it. Luna, por favor, bro. Luna's had a run. Terra Luna. Goodness gracious. Look at that girl right there. Shit, bro. This is the thought if I've ever seen it. Look at it stop right at 1618. Bro, that's crazy. And then popped again. Man, oh man, oh man. Where's this going to go? Gosh, it's really hard to predict. There's no support up here, okay? So it could fall. And it's right up under the 50 fib. I wouldn't buy this till it closes above 19.6. If it closes above 19.6, I'd be willing to take a gamble on it. But this is still way up high. This bus left the station a while back, so be careful with this one. Be careful. This could fake you out and pull down. There's no support all the way to $11. Be careful. Oh, okay. Dustin said he might send you a link later. Either way. All right. Yeah, Luna, I feel like that bus has already gone down the road. Don't chase. There's too many charts, okay? Too many charts. Don't chase. What else we got? Mithril tried to make a comeback here. I never quite hit my spot to buy in. It didn't quite make it. So I kind of feel like this one's still going to come down some more. We're going to see. Not sure. All right. Now let me get to what I was going to talk about with the 3-month chart, okay? Let's pull up. Well, I can't do CoinTrader. I just have to find the best Bitcoin data I can get, which I believe is Bitstamp on the 3-month. And we're going to go no indicators here, just price action only. Yep. There we go. Oh yeah, okay. This is going to be a little bit enlightening for people, and I want everybody to kind of try to pay attention to this because it's going to scare you at first, but I don't think there's anything to be too spooked about. All right, so let's start at fresh New Year's every year. Okay, right here, January, when Bitcoin was $4 a coin. You hear me? $4 a coin. That's what Bitcoin was running for. $4. I want you to look at the volatility of this January candle, okay? You're going to look at this and say, oh my God, that's nothing. That's a small little candle. What's the big deal? Well, I'll show you. Break out our ruler here and we measure. $94 is how much this coin swung in 3 months. 94%. All right. Let's see just to the bottom. $17% down before it moved up on this particular month. All right. Let's go to the next month, which was Q2. 44% movement in 1 quarter. How much down? Well, this one was a little better, wasn't it? This is a much thicker body. It's a thick boy. Thick boy. It only fell about 3.5% this month. Next month, similar. Look right here. Look at the size of that wick. This is a 3-month chart. 22%. Not such a big wick. Big, 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 big movement. Look at this month. Look at this month. My God. Amazing. Look at the next month. This was January. This was April 1st. Boy. 50%. That's how much it dropped. 50% in 1 month. 1 wick after the first quarter ended. Let's find that again. Right here. So this was actually a down month for Bitcoin, and the next month was an up month. But let's see how far down it dipped. 27% this month before it went up. Let's see, October, January, and then the month 2. How much movement do we have here? 10%. What I'm trying to get here is every single month we get some sort of wick on the bottom, and if we don't, it's great, but it usually has a wick. Almost every candle. Obviously, this one doesn't. It's barely a little tiny one, but you're seeing plenty of wicks everywhere else. Okay, this is volatility, and we need the volatility to make more percentages. So it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's part of the game. Now I want to go to the weekly. Oh, click the wrong button. We'll go to the weekly and have a gander here. Similar situation. Look how far this coin has gone up over the weeks. Still threatening to go again, but you got that 62,000 barrier right there that doesn't want to give up. RSI has been building some momentum, dropping down. The MACD is screaming high on the weekly chart. I don't know if I like that or not, okay? That's a little spooky to me. I'd be careful. Oh, yeah, Aunt Lawson, yeah. I told some people that in another group and they didn't listen to me, but basically the saying goes, excuse me, basically the saying goes, don't chase charts. Don't. Chase paychecks. Chase taco trucks. Don't chase charts. There'll be another one to come. Same thing goes for bitches, bro. Don't chase bitches. That's pretty it. That's pretty much it. Look what Dustin just said. Where are you, Thurman? He'll pop in here in a second and say, I don't know where I'm at. Got those thumbs down. Oh, you heard what Frank said. Got that thumbs down. Welcome. Glad to see you, bro. Oh, yeah. See, look. Trying to work on something while watching, bro. Thurman's watching. He's a low-key assassin, bro. China Matt says, watch and hold at the 50 on the daily. I like that. China Matt's a data monster, okay? The guy's a monster. We're lucky to have him. Thurman says, where's Thurman? Y'all guys are great. Yes, Thurman, you always chase a taco truck. Always, bro. You never don't chase a taco truck. You see that bitch pulling away, you stop it and say, can I at least get a burrito before you drive away? I know I would. All right. Algorand is a really interesting chart. This is why it's really interesting to me. Inverse head and shoulders. You could also say this is not an inverse head and shoulders. You could say, I'll remove this, even though that's actually an inverse head and shoulders. That's beautiful. That played out wonderfully. You could argue that this is a cup and handle. Okay, here's your cup, and we're forming a handle. All right, fully possible that's what's happening. We'll see. Either way, I like it to go to this zone right here. And the reason I like it to go to this zone is June 19 area. That we've seen multiple coins hit and stop at. This one hasn't gotten there. As a matter of fact, it's still 140% from that area. Best believe I'm in this, waiting for it to get to this point. This looks an awful lot like Luna, just on a bigger scale. Pay attention, y'all. Okay, pay attention. Pay attention. The answers are always in the charts, not the news. Pay attention. I don't care about lawsuits. I don't care about SEC filings. I don't care about partnerships. I don't care. I want to see the data. Where's the chart? Give me the data. And here it is. I was going to mention data real quick because we had a pretty interesting conversation on the Telegram with another guy, and he was talking to me about it. He was, he's kind of sold on market trends involving news and people, and I just don't believe it's people anymore. But we were talking about charts and how they could be influenced, and I said, well, simply put, I think you can chart anything. We actually charted one of my kids' height to weight ratio. Okay, we used the chart to figure it out. We put chart plot points, and we went, how old was he? How much time did it take to get to here? And we ended up with a chart that looks similar to this, okay? And then my other son, you could have flipped the chart over, and the chart looked exactly the opposite. And you're like, well, he's trending down. Well, he's trending up. The data is the data. We can't deny it. I can't tell you how, in my opinion, technical these charts are. You just have to see it for yourself, and you have to have that light bulb moment when it goes off over your head and things start to click for you. Yeah, I'm in WTC Nomad. Too much gains there for me to back away from, bro. Too much. Here you go. So, you got this cup and handle forming right here. This could still fail. If it does, I'm more than happy to get out of it because it's under the 50 fib. And this will give me some capital freed up because I've been in this one for a minute and been waiting it out. But it hasn't quite got up over the June 19. It just touched it and pulled back right there. And just gave it a kiss and pulled back. So we'll see. You know what I mean? We'll see. I'm happy about this one. This has made me good money. You see my buy line down here. And it's done nothing but go up since I bought it. It did take several weeks for that to happen. Hey, 1G, what's up, my God? Thank you for 10 bones, bro. I appreciate it. We'll get that money donated out. You're the man. And I'm drinking for it. I think it was the April Fool's joke, Ant. I think it was TradingView April Fool's joke. All right. Real quick. Let's see some other shitters down here. ENQ. ENQ is an interesting chart because it looks a lot like CRV. Only it hasn't finished itself yet. So we'll see. On this one, I don't like these wicks, but this is a very wicky chart to begin with. So we'll say whoa on this one for a minute and see what happens. Toko. Wicks, but making a pennant right here. And it has some support. We'll see if it can get up over 786 at 2 cents. If it can break and hold 2 cents, that would be great. I'll be happy to put some more into it. Have a touch of this. A touch of this. Let's see. John Tejada, what's up, my friend? Rose. Drizzy says Rose. Rose. Man, Drizzy, bro, you're coming up with charts like crazy, my guy. Look at this. Hey, Drizzy's another example of what happens when you apply yourself, man, and you throw some time and effort into it. And all of a sudden, you start seeing shit on a different level. He's a prime example, man. Prime example of why. You try, apply yourself, and you'll learn stuff that you never thought you could learn before. Let's Let's see, OCE, got you. SHR, REAP. Damn, y'all are killing me with charts. Hold up. All right, OCE. That's on trader. Ocean X. And then there's just Ocean. Yeah, okay. This one looks great also. It's parabolic, but I would like it to break up and keep going here and not get hung up. This is showing a lot of topping out. If it doesn't get moving soon, it's going to pull back down to support. SHR. Ooh, this one's up a long way. Be careful. When they're up that much, I tend to shy away. Got something in my eye. Yeah, way up there. Sharing's way up there. Be careful. All right, Reap. Reap Chain. What's a dope name? I like that. Oh, look at that crazy wick. No thanks. I see a wick like that, I think down. It could chase that wick, but I doubt it. That's too much, bro. Yep. They take roughly 40%, 40 to 50% no matter anything that gets donated. That's why I started the donations page with my Cash App name, PayPal name, and all that on there so I could avoid those fees. But I get it. Super Chat is super simple here. You know what I mean? You click the button, you type it in, it's way easier. Now, they do get basically half of everything. What are you going to do? Chase that one. I'm trying to hydrate a little bit here. TVK, Nick says, for the culture. TVK made me some decent money as well. Now we are trending down a little bit here on it on the weekly. If you haven't been here before, you will notice that I do daily, weekly, and monthly. And why do I do that? Because those big monthly moves trump the daily moves. They've done it before over and over and over again. And you got to keep the big stuff in mind, okay? The big time frames in the back of your mind all the time, so you can be prepared. This one is trending down, Nick. It looks like it's about to have a bearish cross, doesn't it? If this green line pushes through the purple, that's a down signal or a sell signal or short. If this closes right here, that's another short signal. So be careful here. This one could come back down to support. We should see some action here on this one sooner or later. Sooner rather than later. VGX and Nest. VGX. Don't have that one. Or is it XVG? VGX. I already said VGX. Ethos. And Voyager. You talking about Voyager? Yeah, I tried the tip and bot, but it doesn't work very good, and not many people have that particular coin anymore, Dustin. Hold on, I got you right here. If you'd like to donate, well, here you go. Carolina Keith is my Cash App. PayPal, there's my PayPal. You can hit me up on Telegram, and I'll take any crypto you want to give. I don't care, whatever. Just going to give it away anyway. So whatever you're giving me is going to go right back to somebody else. No sweat. Yeah, the tip bot works through Uphold. You have to link it up first. All right. Possibly Darth. Yeah, saw that, but I don't know yet. This one's trending down, CEO. Be careful. ZEC Pop says, and Digibyte. Got you, Eric. ZEC. All right, similar cup and handle here. Oh, actually, this is just now breaking trend. So this is a decent looking chart once it can get over this little shit zone right here. Already over June 19, so it's ahead of some other coins. Trending up. I like it. Watch out for Zcash. All right. Digibyte. DGB. Digibyte looks beautiful. It's done everything you want it to do. Nice bullish moves, held support, continues to try pressing forward. It is getting hung up just a little bit here, but I like this one. Digibyte has a long way to go in my opinion. I don't think it's done. Sorry, my legs are itching. Dustin said, Ryan, don't be shy, cuzzo. Talk away. SXP got you. Yeah, SXP has a lot of upside, in my opinion. Swiper, no swiping, bro. Aw, man. If you got kids, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Now, SXP is a little interesting here. This thing could fail. Could fail on us, but it's all right now. SXP is just kind of in a pocket. We're going to get some movement one way or the other out of this. So be ready. Be ready. Nest and nulls. Nest. I think Nest is still struggling here. I'd be careful. I know it's been popping up pretty hard right here, but we're still stuck in this ugly rut. It is making an inverse head and shoulders. Just noticed that. Right here. Right about there. So, let's see if we can get a couple more bounces here and a shot up. I don't know though. It's a very, very wiki chart. Be careful. Don't lose your ass on this one. It's still stuck in the downtrend at the moment. Just moving sideways now. Nulls. Leg itching like crazy. So looks like we're forming an inverse head and shoulders on this one too. Right here. Yep. And some cups and handles. Just need to break this level and hold it for a bit here on nulls, and we're going to get some more price action. It's done a really good job of fighting back though. Like a really good job. So I don't think it's done. Let's get a fib on this one over here. Went the wrong way with it. My fault. Possibly it could stall out. If it can break and hold 123, we're up to 160, but it's got to break 123 first. PLA. I don't know about this one either. This one looks sideways to me still too, even though it's done some good up right here. I'd be careful because I bet you it's going to fade and move more sideways. Digibyte. There's room to run, like Mullet said. Yep. Taking it all in, Rye said. Yeah, it's a lot to do at first, but you'll get the hang of it, man. You just got to kind of follow the videos I made if you want. They're all free. They're on the YouTube channel there. You just go to instructional videos, and it'll show you the video series we have made so you can learn how to trade. SHA, yeah, good call, Ken. SHA has been up to, it was up 30% yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Safe haven. Yeah. You had this crazy wick right here. I don't count those. That's obviously a glitch. I don't count that at all. It's like it never happened. All right. Wrong button. Wrong button. Let's see. There. Yeah, we got some more room to run on this one. I like safe haven. I don't think she's done yet. Watch out. Watch out for a safe haven. Hey, Dustin Viking, are you listening, bro? That's you. Safe haven. I know that's your girl. Get your girl in check. GRT and Alpha. I believe GRT is building that same pennant up top. Yep, it is. Kind of brewing and going sideways. You're a buy right now, so I wouldn't be selling right now. I would be in this and just holding on to it because some good stuff may come from it. Alpha. Same thing as GRT. Good call, whoever noticed that, CEO. Those are exactly the same chart. Both are a buy, but this one more so barely than the one you just looked at, Safe Haven, and GRT more so of a buy than those two. Harvey, bro, in the bushes. I told y'all, my man stays in the bushes. I'm new to all this. Can you give me an example of indicators that could possibly hint to drop on trade? Yes, I could. Yeah, right. Right there, Thurman. Thurman just shared it to you. There's an instructional video series right there. Thurman just shared it in the comments. Just click that. Start with video 1 and work your way down. Ask questions if you need to. That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we're here for. Hey, thank you, Anthony. Let's see. It said trade the 8 EMA and the 21 EMA. Above the 8, buy, keep, below 21, sell. Simple rule of thumb. And it's a simple and effective strategy. DSLA. DSLA. Goodness gracious, these charts. So much money is being made. Imagine being in Tether and just hiding. Or, better yet, imagine being a content creator and sitting in Tether while the entire market takes off and runs. Gosh. All right, yeah, so 1618 is at about $1.7 pennies. There's a possibility this thing gets up to a quarter here. Rather not later, more so sooner. We'll have to see though. I know I say we'll see a lot, but I'm gonna prove it on the chart kind of guy. Okay, I don't want to see evidence of what might happen. Show me something. Give me some evidence. Show me some proof of what you're hearing, what you're seeing, and then we can talk about it. DNT, I'm a little unsure if it will hold support here or not. Let's see, Ken. DNT. All right. Yeah, Ken, I think you're overall going to hold this. It may dip a little, like 18 cent possibly, or even 20 cent. But that's not bad though, okay? It did make a lower high for the first time in a long time, like a considerable lower high. But it's still in the pennant. Okay, so if it's still in the pennant, I'm not selling nothing until it's a sale under that purple line. Excuse me. Trying to kill myself. Goodness. That's why I shouldn't talk and drink water. Whew. All right. Luckily, I have a cough button. I just couldn't hit it fast enough. SNX. And I didn't look at it yet, did I? I didn't. Thank you, sir. Similar situation on SNX. Way high up in the air. This thing is a possibility to come back down and check support before it does anything else, or it can jog sideways. And I want y'all to understand that some of this stuff can go sideways, and that's okay. That's okay. It's going up really far, really fast. And if we get some sideways consolidation action, relax. Harvey and Dustin, they're from up north. They know this saying. RELAX. Relax. Oh, hell, listen. RWM says the tequila's kicking in, bro. You're not kidding. It should have put you down, bro. I had like a 4-shot or a 5-shot poured before the stream started. It's gone, bro. It's gone. Went down the wrong pipe, as it's a southern saying, isn't it? Let's see. All right. DNT and CBC's parabolic moves. I expect the same one to drop. Exactly, EJ. Exactly. Dustin says, psh. Oh, hell, y'all are wild. CRO, got you. Hold on, let's pull it up. That's, isn't CRO the crypto.com coin? Yep, it is. It's amazing how much you learn just being in this space. You start to learn the names of the coins and the acronyms of what their handles are before, you even buy them, which is, it's kind of interesting how much you can remember. Let's get a fib pulled on this one here. But this one might have more room to go. Yeah, 28 cent, 34 cent, 44 cent on this one here. On crypto.com coin, CRO. Where's my simp brother Aker? Oh, he's in here simping, bro. Don't worry. Crypto Harvey said, relax. Stupid. He said, hiding agents be under attack. Y'all are awful, dude. Oh, my God. Oh, goodness. DSLA. I already looked at that one, Moonrider. I think it's way up there, I believe. Yeah, see, this one is right on the edge of being a sell for me, bro. When you hit the 1618 like that, I start backing out. And more often than not, that's the right play. Sometimes it's wrong. Sometimes it's wrong, and that's fine. No one's right all the time. Right? All right. Well, that's about all I had for the stream. It's 11:48, almost 11:50. It's Good Friday tomorrow, so I'm going to end this off a little bit early so all y'all people can get some rest, man. It's a holiday. Be ready for the weekend. If y'all got kids like I do, it's going to be a lit weekend. So rest up. Hey, if you want to get on the Zoom after this and you're in the Telegram group, come get it. I'm about to do a bot trading class. I'm going to record the whole thing. So, can get you into some other stuff if you want to get into it. I'm into bot trading. I like it a lot. I'm into nodes. I'm into all kind of stuff. We can talk about it over there. So until next time, I'll see you guys on Tuesday, which is in 5 more days. I expect the fucking charts to do this stuff, man. Relax. It's fine. If it does it, it's cool. Don't freak out. Focus, okay? Mullet left you with some advice for the weekend, okay? No one ever got wrecked taking profits. Remember that. No one ever got wrecked taking profits. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. For the people who stayed and hung out with me, I'll see y'all. Y'all are my people. Thank you very much. I'll be back Tuesday. Be good.